What now?
It's Cher. She's suing me.
Why is she suing you?
I don't know. Ask her.
Dazzling!
She's got her Oscar back, and she's willing to drop the lawsuit. But first, she has one request.
I'll do anything for this show, but I won't do that.
Dazzling. Dazzling Cool Cat Jones. You may know me from my films, TV shows, Broadway plays, the countless albums I've made over the years. The Rat Pack, Captain and Tennille, James Brown, Bobby Brown, Aretha Franklin, Jay-Z, The Silvers. I've performed with all the greats, traveled the world, made love to beautiful women, made millions of dollars, and blew through it all. Once called the greatest entertainer the world has ever known by Sammy Davis Jr., I now spend my days addicted to coffee.
Hey, you have to pay
Wearing
for
the
that.
same outfit days on end, dodging my landlord for back rent. A washed-up, narcissistic, self-absorbed has-been who turns his back on his friends, who is lucky Cher chose not to kick the shit out of him years ago, something she could have done easily without a second thought.
What, Cher wrote this?
She wants you to read it, film it, and send it to her via email.
Are you on crack? I'm not doing that shit.
It's just for her personal amusement. She won't show it to anyone or tell anyone about it.
It's not gonna happen, Tommy.
It'll make up for her Oscar you pawned.
Which she got back.
But she's still salty about it.
Not my problem.
Come on, man, it's 5 or 6 minutes of your life.
It's not gonna fucking happen, Tommy.
And the show's off if you don't.
Dazzling! Cool Cat Jones!
Then the show's off. I got by without a show before, I'll get by without a show now.
Jesus H. Christ. I, me. Is that all you think about yourself? Think you're the only one with something riding on this? If you blow this for me, I swear to God, Dazzling.
Swear on this, motherfucker. It's all about me. Damn real, it's all about me. Punk ass. And with that, a frustrated young Dazzling jumped in his car to clear his mind, only to be surprised by who he would see. What are you doing here?
Helping a friend in need.
I don't need any help.
Same old Dazzling. You're fucking up your career. But do what you want to do. Gotta go.
What the fuck? That night, many phone calls were made to many friends, not spoken to in many years. And young Dazzling went on to say things that were hard to say, do things that were hard to do. Admit his shortcomings, apologize for wrongdoings, and ask for forgiveness for days gone by. And as he flew across country to grab dinner with his old friend, the greatest entertainer ever donned a smile for the squashing of past beefs and the hopes of new tomorrows. And now live from the basement of the Velvet Room in beautiful Chicago, it's the Dazzling Cool Cat Jones Show with your host, Dazzling Cool Cat Jones. Showtime.